Hello, I'm a regular European investor and welcome to my channel. Before we go further, I'd like to mention that time is money and I value your time, so please watch this video in 1.25 playback. As I mentioned in my previous video, I have trimmed some of my stocks and I will use that money to invest somewhere else. Today I'm going to buy Abbvie. This is a healthcare sector stock and I want to expand it and diversify my stock sector and risk. So hopefully this investment will be a good choice in the long run. If you want to learn more about the stock sectors or to see my previous video which I referred to today, you can check it in the description below.